Hello everyone, this question appears in class 8th NCERT chapter of linear equation in one variable. This is 8th question of its exercise 2.2. So the question says that three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3, 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Find these numbers. So let the three consecutive number is x, x plus 1, x plus 2. So हमें given है when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3, 4, so they add up to 74. So 2 into x plus 3 into x plus 1 plus 4 into x plus 2 is equal to 74. ये हमारी इक्वेशन बन जाएगी. So 2x plus 3x plus 3 plus 4x plus 8 is equal to 74. So जाएगा 2x plus 3x plus 4x जाएगा 9x plus 3 plus 8 11 is equal to 74. So 9x is equal to 74 minus 11 is equal to 63. X is equal to 63 upon 9 is equal to 7. So find these numbers. So x, x plus 1, x plus 2 are the numbers. So ये हो जाएगा 7, 8 and 9. Thank you.